Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Larger than me, you don't know what to say, but I see what to say. Hey! Watch the Lord, watch the Lord! Jesus God Almighty! Oh boy, you're right, and come here, you should have followed him. Oh, Jesus God! Jackie! Oh, the master, oh, the Clarendon! Big up master, the general! Real old Jackie, alright, you, yeah? Alright, go and drop the machine and look out, I know what I tell things.
Boom, I told them. Don't you know. Love roots, I told them. Boom, slavery, I told them. Love roots can sound on a Sunday. Boom, kill them on a Monday. Slavery, kill them on a Tuesday and a Wednesday and Thursday.
Viewers and subscribers, me say that one your thing set like a tin set. That one you hard, you see me? So what y'all look on right about now are the annual donkey race. You see me? The donkey race will keep in a place that is called Top Hill, St. Catherine, Jamaica. You see it? Yeah, annually. You know what I'm saying annually? Yeah. So this thing when me see it, me have just said something big wondering. No, me not telling you like this look really serious. You know, like the man them take this race to a nice level. You see me? Because when me look, me see like them plait the donkey here, or if I not plait or something, but you can see where the tail of the donkey have some little thing will look like spongy and all these things. And then you look one side, you see man with them donkey one side and wait for them time for go racing. You see it? This, remember them say annual, so this coming like a something where the man them sit down and probably train all them donkey for all the whole of that year there and feed him right and everything and get ready for the race, cause you know say donkey gonna beat donkey today no man. You see it? Right on the Emancipation Day now. You see it? The thing set like a tin set. I love it. You see me, I said, at them kind of things that we are talking about to keep the community together and have a little fun and all them things. You see me? You see the thing set. Alright? So viewers and subscribers, I don't know me do things already. Me always try to bring the good things. You see me, I say keep on up to date and post it to do what I go on and so forth. You see me? Believe me, viewers and subscribers, that's something to look at, you see me? So again, me I tell you the annual donkey race, St. Catherine, the place on in Top Hill, yeah, then do it for Emancipation Day, you see me? And happy Emancipation to you, you know, all Jamaicans and, you know, everyone around the world, alright? Alright, you don't know the thing already. So, anyways, just let me know what you think about something like this. If you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself.